The picture of the finished wall. As you can see, it's a nice right angle. Before it would bow out, where it would just lean over and start to tilt because of this fabulous olive tree that overhangs the pool. So the repair took place by removing the wall, and then as you can see, we used these little pieces or broken down pieces from these pieces, and it transitions nicely as a quick fix that I think looks great. So then we just piecewise put them in, and I mean, it looks great. What's great too is that the tree was not damaged and saved, and that was huge because I didn't want too much root damage. But we also could have, for more money, pulled this wall out to extend it and then go to give the roots more space too. But we went with quick and dirty.